Watch it, watch it. Punch both hands, then raise it. Yeah, I need you to raise that body like punch it. Yes. One. The ball is messed up. Punch, then go straight. Yes. I need you to walk with the ball. What? Flow with the ball. Don't trap the ball down. Flow with it. Yes. Put that heels up. One. Give me three. Two. Raise your heels. Yes, when you shoot, you raise your heels like. Right. Two more. Alright, go backward. Right there. So when you catch, I need you to drop the right leg. Come back, 1, 2, pull up. Drop the left leg. Come back, 1, 2, pull up. I'll tell you what you do for me today. Yes, come back, 1, 2, pull up. You're working on your footwork. This way and this way. Yes, yes. Do it both ways, the other way now. Good, come back. I don't need the ball to swing. See where the ball is stationary. Good, pull up, there.